Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kabrina and I am doing a review of it. Well, not really a review, kind of like a first impression because I haven't worn it nowhere, but it's of the Freetress Equal. I know this is Freetress Equal, but it doesn't say whatever on the top. Anyways, it says equal at the top without Freetress, but this is Freetress Equal. Anyways, this is the Brazilian Natural lace deep invisible L part in the style Danity, whatever. And the color the model has on, if you can see that, is a OP99J. And the color I have it in is a OH2730613. Now, I know I'm like super late on this wig review, first impressions or whatever, because this wig is like stupid old, but I don't see a lot of people on YouTube doing it in this color, which I think this color is like super pretty, and you can't really see it on my camera because like I'm recording from my phone. Like, we're taking it back to the old ratchet. Just a second. Okay, sorry, that was my son. Taking it back to the old school YouTube with your phone camera and the bathroom lighting. Anyways, this wig, I'm 5'1", and it goes down to like right there on me. I will say though that this wig is like stupid thin right out of the pack. Like, I mean, it's thin, like it's a thin wig, because when I took it right out of the pack, my mom was here and she had saw like in the back there was like a track already showing, so like you can kind of feel the track. So like, I don't know, like when you go out somewhere you might be thinking like, oh my god, is my track showing, or you know, just feeling kind of insecure, or you know, like self you know what I'm trying to say, like self-conscious that your tracks might be showing or whatever. Anyways, though, this is pretty, like a pretty blend. Like, you got the 613 like a little bit. It's not really all over that really light color, because in the back, let me show you, it's more so the dark brown in the back. Like, you can see that. And if you guys are wondering what I have on, I just have on my waist trainer, like, because I'm trying to get cinched. But yeah, it has the strings in the back. Anyways, I'm 5'1", and the wig goes like to here. This is in the front, so this is to the front, and it goes to about right here. Say hi. Come say hi. Come say hi. He's shy. Anyways, and this is actually a side part wig because it has the L part. But say hi. Okay, so this is the L part, so it's pretty much for the side, like the way the model has it, but I don't like my wigs to the side, so I put it in the middle. And like, I know I was supposed to do a video showing you guys how I do my parting. Like, I have everything right here because I think I'm about to do the part, but I don't know. All I do is I put this Revlon Color Stay foundation. Mine is in the color 340 Early Tan, so I use that. I don't even know if they sell this anymore, but yeah, because I don't do makeup anymore. But I put this in the part, and then just like with a Wet n Wild concealer brush, and then I take this e.l.f. foundation, so it's like e.l.f. powder or whatever, and then I put that on top of there in the part. Like, that's if the part doesn't need plucking. And like this one, I would do like a few strands, just like a little bit to show, like, just to show, like, make sure that you can actually see the part, because this looks a little like too dense for me, just a little bit. But yeah, and another con about this wig is like this, it has little pieces of hair. It has little pieces of hair. Israel, go play. Go play. It has little pieces of hair that just like stick up and stick out. Like, can you see that? That looks messed up. Like, I don't know if every wig is like that, or if it's just the one that I have, but you can like easily comb that back in. But yeah, you can easily just comb that back in. And this wig has 2 combs right here on each side of the part, and it has a comb in the back. Now I would say that this cap is big head friendly because like I have a lot of hair underneath, and like I have all my hair braided up towards the back, and like with my wig cap and then my wig grip that I keep in the front, like that's a lot going on underneath. So this cap is pretty stretchable, whatever. Anyways, so it does, like, I don't even have it like on the closest hooks like in the back to like have it real tight. So it can go good for like smaller heads or whatever. But for me, this is like pretty good for the amount of hair that I have underneath. And I really think it's cute because I just love this whole bang action right here. Like, this is like super, this is just like super me right now, like with the whole bang going on and then like all these curls. It's just like really pretty. So this is synthetic, obviously, and it's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees, and it comes in a range of colors. I will just put all the colors on the screen because I'm not about to say all that. So like all the colors is right here. You can like see that. And excuse my nails, I haven't had a chance to do them since I took them off the other day. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do it on this wig or like if I'm gonna do it on another wig, but I promise I'm gonna show you guys how I do my little trick to the part. Because all I do is I take like some of this like athletic, like, this is, I guess you would find it in like the like Ace bandage aisle, I guess. But I just take some of this and I cut it to size and I put it underneath, like underneath here, so where it looks like scalp, and so it shows up a lot more even if I don't feel like putting the foundation and the powder on the top. So like even if I just want to like leave it, put that underneath and don't do nothing else to it, it still looks good like when you like pluck it a little bit. So that's like the little trick, but I promise I'll have a video on that soon. I don't know if I'm going to do it with this wig or wait till I get a new wig and do it on the new wig. But yeah, let me show you guys. Here's the side. Just keep in mind, if you want to get this wig, I don't know if it's just this color or if it's just like just the wig in general, the whole Danity wig. It is like super thin. Like, I don't know if you can see that I can feel the tracks, like definitely can feel them, but I don't know if like you can see them. It's not like really bad. It's just like maybe the way it was laying in the package. So yeah, this is a really pretty wig, and I got it from, where did I get this from? Not Freetress. I got this from, I think I got it from Freetress. Yeah, I got it from Freetress, and I paid with the whole new customer like 15% off or something. I think I paid with shipping and everything like $28 and some change. So it's not bad, and it's not too expensive for this. Obviously, like, it's just cute. But yeah, I've seen other reviews with people saying that Danity tangles bad, but like I said, I haven't worn this anywhere. Like, I literally just cut the lace off a few minutes ago, and this is pretty much how it comes out of the package. It's like really sexy and really like, I guess you would say like date night hair, or like, well, fucking me, I would just wear this to the grocery store or anything. But yeah, sorry this review is so long, but yeah, this color is like super pretty, and I just wanted to come on and show you guys my new hair. And yeah, in the next like couple weeks or so, I will show you guys how I do my parting and all that. I've just been like super lazy with YouTube, and yeah, so there's the color again. And if you guys have questions on my waist trainer, like, this is not the like the kind that stretches. This has actual bones in it. So if you guys want information on my waist trainer, just leave it down below in the comment section and I will show you guys that. But yeah, this is Danity. I'm trying to think if I left anything. Oh, this hair is like really silky. So if you don't like the silky texture hair, I would not recommend this for you. But like when I straighten my own hair, it's not yucky or anything. Like when I straighten my own hair, it's like more so silky. So, I mean, not saying that this is believable or whatever, but like it doesn't bother me. That's basically what I'm trying to say. Like it doesn't bother me, the silky texture. So yeah, trying to see if I left anything out. And that's about it, guys. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of Danity, and just leave your comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.